Our next guest makes regular national appearances, including The Ellen Show, MTV, and the Disney Channel. And he's here with today's Sounds of the Suncoast with a couple of talents. But we're going to start off with his musical abilities. Please welcome Chaz Robinson in today's Sounds of the Suncoast.
Standing here alone without you, the more I think, the more I doubt you. Thorns and diamond gouge to drown you in a raging river bled about you, and hope is rolling down. The more I think I am without you, I realize I have allowed you to break this man of charades about you. I'm standing here just to doubt you, as if to damn your soul. Our demons letting go. Now that I'm without you, I don't have to doubt you. There's something about you, I just can't go on without you. Is this what we amount to? Is this what it comes down to? I thought that I found you, and now I'm dying without you. Blankly clouding there about you. Veils of darkness now surround you. Haunting faces glad about you. In a prison barred by sounds confound you. Now they claim us all. They're never letting go. Now that I'm without you, I don't have to doubt you. There's something about you, I just can't go on without you. Is this what we amount to? Is this what it comes down to? I thought that I found you, and now I'm dying without you. Sometimes promises go unkept, just because we learned we didn't say what we meant, didn't say what we meant. Now that I'm without you, I don't have to doubt you. There's something about you, I just can't go on without you. Is this what we amount to? Is this what it comes down to? I thought that I found you, and now I'm dying without you.
Wow. Wow. That's really good, Chaz. You can check out Chaz Robinson's album, Without You, on iTunes, or you can just get more information about him by visiting his website, chazrobinson.com. And next, he has another talent we want to tell you all about or show you. We'll be right back.